Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to teach you about the Android Studio in this video. If you are a beginner in Android Studio, then this video will teach you something about the Android Studio. If you don't know how can you comment or how can you uncomment your code block in the Android Studio, this video will teach you. How can you check your Android version also, and you can learn from this video, and there are lots of stuff which will be mentioned in this video, but you have to watch until the last. And uh, if you are a beginner of Android Studio, it will help you to know about the Android Studio. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Hello everyone, so welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you about the Android Studio, which is very usable things in Android Studio. So today we are discussing about how to check the Android current version in the Android Studio, and how to change the color interface of Android Studio, and how to add Android emulator in Android Studio, and how to use comment and uncomment in Android Studio, and how can you add more color in the color.xml file. So this is our today's agenda, so let's move on. So this is my Android Studio. Now first of all, we are going how can we check our current version of Android Studio. So for this, just go to any file. Okay, just wait for a moment. So now I'm clicking in the settings. Okay, and just go to in the appearance and behavior, and just click in the system setting. Now you can see here there is updates available. Just click there. Now you can see there is a Android version available. Now you can see the current version of my Android Studio. Now I'm using Android Studio 3.5.3. okay, and if you want to upgrade your Android Studio in the current version, you can choose your which channel you want to use. Then after this, just click in the check now. But I don't but in this time I don't want to update my Android Studio. So another our agenda is how can we change the color interface of our Android Studio. So again, I'm going to in my Android Studio, and now you can see here I'm using the white color, the Android Studio color interface, right? So now I'm just clicking in the file. Again, go to in the settings. Okay, and just click in the appearance. Now you can see here there is a theme theme available. Okay, and from here you can choose your desired theme. So I'm using this one, Darkula, and just click in the apply. Okay, and it will take some time. Now you can see my theme has been changed, right? So now you can see you can use this kind of tricks. Okay, but if you want to change your theme in this time, it will be very useful. But in this time I don't want to use this one. That's why I'm just clicking in the settings, and I'm going to again theme, and I'm just making the IntelliJ, and just clicking in the OK button. Just wait for a moment. IntelliJ, then clicking in the OK button. Now you can see here my theme is already changed, right? So this is also one of the amazing features of the Android Studio. So let's move on to our next agenda. So that is how to add Android emulator in the Android Studio. It's too much easy. So let's move on to our Android Studio, and now you can see here is a some options available. So when you will click in the when you will click in the AVD manager, and after clicking in the AVD manager, and there will be some options available inside your Android Studio. Sorry, Now you can see now I'm using a Android emulator, Nexus Android emulator. Okay, and but in this time, if you want to create a new Android emulator, then in that case you have to click in the create virtual device, and after this it will take some time. And from here you can choose your device. If you want to add a TV emulator, in that time you can use this one. For the phone you can use this one. For the Wear OS you can use this one, or for the tablet you can use this one. And after this you can use this one and just click in the next, but in this time I don't want to use. But if you want to create your new emulator, then in that case you can use the AVD manager. It means Android Virtual Device Manager. Okay, so let's move on to our next agenda. So there is a how to use the comment and uncomment features of Android Studio. So for this, so now I'm selecting this code. Okay, and after this just press Ctrl+/. Okay, now you can see it's commented, right? But if I want to uncomment it, just press Ctrl+Shift and the slash. Now you can see here, oh sorry, Ctrl+Shift+. Okay, what happened to this one? Yeah, just press the Ctrl+/. Okay, so it will if you press the Ctrl+/, now you can see it's commented, right? And if you again press the Ctrl+/, it will be uncomment. Okay, and if you press again Ctrl+Shift+/, now you can see you can use this kind of comment. And if you want to again uncomment this one, just Ctrl+Shift+/. Okay, Ctrl+/ for the every line, and if you want to uncomment, just press Ctrl+/. Okay, so this is the one of the useful features of your Android Studio. So let's move on to our last agenda, that is how to add more color in the color XML file. So in this time, if I use just wait for a moment, if I use a color here, okay, Android text color, okay, text color is not working because I have already used this one. So I'm going to uncomment this, I'm going to use the comment. Just wait for a moment, I'm just using Ctrl+Shift+ this one, and it's not working, right? So I'm just going to uncomment this one, Ctrl+Shift+/. So I'm just using the 2/ here. Oh my god, what happening to this one? Okay, so I'm just going to remove this one. So I'm just removing this one. So I'm just using the Android and text color. Now you can see here there is some color available, add color and the color accent, added color primary, added color, and the color print. Okay, so if you want to add more color here, so what to do? It's too much easy. Just click in the project. Okay, after this just click in the app, and from the app just click in the race and just click in the values. Now you can see there is a file available, colors.xml, and just click there and open it. So now I'm opening this one. Now you can see here is a colors.xml. Now you can see here there is a color list available, right? So if you want to add more color library here, just click the color and name, then equal to, so I'm just giving the color light green. Okay, and I'm closing this one. So if you want to use this one, just you can use the hash code. So if you don't know about the hash code, of that color, just go to in your Google browser and just type htmlcolorcourse.com, and from here you can choose this one. So now I think I should to choose this one, light green. Okay, I think this one is perfect for me. Okay, so after this, just click here and copy it and go to Android Studio and paste it, and just save it by pressing Ctrl plus S. And next time when you will go to here, okay, and if you use @color slash light green, now you can see here there is a color available, right? So you can add more color library using this trick. Hoping that you understand. If you still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. That's it.
Hoping that you understand something about the Android Studio. If you have still any kind of confusion about the Android Studio, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. And don't hesitate to give me a like. And if some of your friends or family or relatives are learning Android Studio and they don't know about the Android Studio, then you can share this video to them. Hoping that you enjoyed this video and you learned something from this video, and I'll meet with you in another video. Goodbye, see you again.